Hey everyone, here is another OCC unboxing for a girl 5 to 9, and it has an emphasis on crafts. I had filmed this video like I normally do, but after listening to it, I realized my mood at this time was reflecting in the tone of my voice. Prior to filming, I struggled a lot with this box. I knew I wanted to get a water bottle in and all of her craft items, and these Sterilite bins are difficult for me to pack. I bought 15 though, so I am committed to them. At the end of this video, I have a blooper to show you how this filming of the unboxing started. Packing shoe boxes is so much fun, but sometimes certain boxes can prove challenging, like this one. I mean it when I say I pray that this girl and her family love everything in her gift. As you saw, she had a notebook, brush, sharpener, and a little trinket doll in her big sharpener. And there's that water bottle that I was adamant to get in. At the end of the video, I'll show you everything that's inside of it. But now I'm showing you the little soft toy and her little doll. I found this at my thrift store for 50 cents. And I also have another one that I purchased for 50 cents. And I had a sweet viewer who helped me out with this. Thank you so much, Christine. I had no idea what doll this was, but Christine let me know that it's a Lori doll and they are from Targets in the US. So I will be on the lookout for a different change of outfit for my other Lori doll. But this little doll does have a change of outfit in her water bottle. And this is her little doll bed. And of course she doesn't have to use it as a doll bed, but she can if she wants to. That's a little bralette. And then I had to put her pencils in here. 2 of them say be courageous and brave. And that little bandana she can use as a blanket for her doll if she would like to. Just a little notepad. And I kept her ruler in the packaging so that the wood box wouldn't scratch it. And there is a little bear stencil. Of course, she can draw bears and then she can color them if she would like to. I love that little wooden case. Sharon from East Coast Stories had these in some of her boxes. I remember it in her Bell box, which was a really great shoebox. But I found this at my Hallmark store and I thought it would be perfect for her little craft box. Such a pretty little tote bag, and it goes with her colors being pink and green. And when I pack my shoe boxes, I don't just think of the one child. You know, I emphasize the one child, but sometimes only one child will get a shoe box in a big family. So a lot of the times it's nice to try to pack thinking of her parents or her siblings. So that's what I did with this shoe box. I wasn't able to fit in my folder or print off, so I just gave her a play pack. And I'm showing you, I think the reason why these boxes are difficult to pack is once you get it filled and you go to put the lid on, the brackets come down so far that it can press on the items and the lid doesn't want to close. That's just scalloped edge scissors for her cardstocks here. Just some different prints that she will be able to use in her journal. And I'm hoping that she will have a sibling or even her little, even a little sibling or her mummy that would like to journal with her and they could create memories together. And that was just washi tape and her carabiner that I could not fit in the box with it on the water bottle. I gave her these little containers so that she could keep all her little crafting items tidy and organized. And I did fill that up with more stickers. And then in her other container, I just gave her a bunch of different wood embellishments. And then I colored a few of them just so that she could see that she could use her markers or her paint to color them. And I wanted to make sure she got a tiara. I think there's more than one tiara. And there's also some buttons that she could use for whatever she would like, even her journal. She has another washi tape, and that one is like a green sparkly one. Her glue stick, pen, and I gave her a cool confetti crayon. It just has different splotches of colors on it. And then her little crayons to go with her play pack. I have used those coloring with my daughter, and they are good crayons. They do color well. And there is her nice kid-made modern journal that I found. It was normally $14.97, and I found it at Staples for $5.97. Just a little party horn, and then her markers that came with the journal. And then I added some cotton string. I know kids can use cotton strings for many different things. And then her school scissors. And I picked this brush because it matched her journal case. So I thought that was kind of cute. And then her journal. Like I said, this could really create some memories with her and her siblings or her mummy. She may have a mummy that loves to craft. So I love how there's a little book in here with a pocket. And then she can use her bear stencils or any of her little wood embellishments, maybe create some stories. And I put 2 of her cardstocks in here so that she knew that she could use them inside. And I love these words. I think they are perfect shoebox words, trinkets and treasures. And just more paper for her to be creative with, and she can also flip it over and use the entire other side of the journal. So that is what I would consider her wow item. And then just a little composition book. Her erasers. A little notepad. I like to add in a water-resistant pouch when I can. That way if she wanted to put her pencils in it and it were to rain or get a little wet, her pencils should be protected. And I think that all of these sticker sheets should have a coloring on the back. I think that's a great invention. She has puffy stickers, animal stickers, just a good variety to use with her journal. And then the very last thing, she has a 24 Crayola watercolor set that she can use with her wood box for her doll bed, or even just use it as a little case to keep her stuff organized. And then she can also color or paint her wood embellishments. So that is my box for a girl 5 to 9. I hope you enjoyed this box. You know, we all have good days and we all have bad days. And I hope that I'm definitely having a good day. And I hope that you're having a good day. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Oh, please stay down. Please stay down. Oh.